Morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, let us come back to our class. In last class, we were learning about the quality. Yes or no? In that lesson, there is some of the exercises are there. Let us do that one. On page number 78, please open your textbook, all of you. Working with the language. Study the following phrases and their meanings. Use them appropriately to complete the sentence that follow. The phrases for the word, there is a meaning also is given. So we have to use the correct meaning and fill in the blanks correct word. According to the sentences, we have to fill with the correct word. So first one, let us see what is the first word. Look after. Look after means taking care. We take care of the grandparents, we take care of our parents, we take care of our younger ones. Take care. Next, look down on. Disapprove or regard as inferior. We look at the people in a down means, example we can say, the servants, those are working in our house, we don't treat them as a human beings, we treat them like a low people, they are useless people, they are outcast people, like that we treat them, looking the people in down, not having a respect towards them, we treat them as they are inferior to us, we are above, they are below. Next, look into means investigate. Suppose any problems is taking place, we have to investigate. Example, the police, what they do when any case is filed, they go and investigate, they thoroughly inquire about the problems, investigate. Next, look out. Look out means be careful. We advise the people, when you do something, you be careful. When you write your exam, be careful. You just check it after writing whether you have written correctly or any spelling mistake. So be careful. Not only for exam studies, many things we say be careful. When we go out, the parents say be careful. When you cross the road, be careful. They say them. Next, look up. Look up means improve. Improve in your studies or improve your language, improve your knowledge, improve your speaking skills or improve your drawing. Many things we can say. Next, look up to. Look up to means admire. Admiring means somebody, some singers, some dancers or some good great people there. We admire at them. We look at them and we enjoy. Admire the way they are giving speeches, the way they do dance, the way sing. Just we ourselves forget ourselves where we are sitting and we will be completely involved. We will be completely admiring their way of singing. Not their beauty, the way of their singing, the way they are doing the dance. We admire them. Even the politician, really political people, leaders, you might have noticed the way they talk in the stage, on the stages, we will be taken by that one. So we admire them, the way they are giving speech. These words are given. Now underneath, the filling the blanks are given. We have to use the correct one according to that one. Fill up using these words. After a very large spell of heat, the weather is dash at last. So after so many days, finally the weather is at last. Maybe whether it may be a rainy season or a summer season. After a spell of heat, now what is happened? Something what we can say after long spell of the heat. It may be during the summer. After summer, now what happened? The weather maybe come down or it may be reduced. So what we can write? We can write look into. So looking up. Looking up means what? Improve. Now it has improved after long spell of this one. So much of heat. Now this weather has changed. Looking up, improved is maybe the sunlight might have reduced or increased or improved. So what we for improved what we have write? Looking up. Looking up. After a very long spell of heat, the weather is looking up at last, improved a lot. Next one, we have no right to dash people who do small jobs. Those are doing small jobs like a servant, ayahs, and we, such a people, we should not look them down. So what we have tried, what that we have to treat them equally as us. We don't think that the other servants we are great people. So we also not look them down. What is the answer for that one? Look down on. Look down on means I don't know, disapprove or regard of his inferior. Look down on. We never look the people in yellow. Look down. They are useless people. They are used for nothing. They are after all their servants like that. We should not look them. Third one, the police are dash the matter thoroughly. So when some cases came, what the police are supposed to do? They have to investigate. What is the word for investigate? Look into. So the police are looking into. Looking into. Looking into the matter thoroughly. Next one. If you want to go out, I will take the children for you. So suppose somebody wants to go out the meter. If you go out, want to go out, you go. What I will do? I will take care of them. So what is the word for take care? Look after. What is the word for that one? Look after. I will take care of them. Look after. If you want to go out, I will look after the children for you. Next one, I promise to dash on your brother when I visit Lucknow next. I promise to dash. Look in means when I go next time, I will go on visit your brother. That is the meaning. So look in, make a short visit. When we go somewhere by on the way, suddenly we go and visit our parents or grandparents, whatever may be. So, see studying. I promise to look on your brother when I visit Lucknow. Look in. I go and visit him. Next one. Third one, I didn't write it for you. Nidin has always dashed his uncle who is self-made man. Nidin always, he is a very respect man. He may be having a high position the way of living. What Nidin is doing, he is always, how he is looking, admiring that man. So what is the word for that one? Look up to. Third one is, this is fourth, this one fourth. Third one, look up to. Admiring his uncle. Nidin is the way he was doing the things, the way how he is brought up, the self-respect he has for him, he is admiring at his uncle. Nidin has always looked up to his uncle. Next, seventh one. When you are crossing the main road. When we cross the main road, what the parents will advise? Be careful. So what is the word for be careful? Look out. When you go out, you should be very careful. Look out. So these are the words according to the meaning. Next, you see, read the following sets of words loudly and clearly. You have to read it. There are so many words are there. The pronunciation is same, but the meanings are different. So they asked us to read it. The pronunciation is the same, but what is the different? The meaning is different. So let us read coat, coat. Both are same meaning, but both are same pronunciation, but the meaning is different. Coast, coast. Dose, toast, coat, coat, root, road, root, blot, blot, note, note. So both are same thing, pronunciation, but what is the difference? Meaning is different. So dear student, you do one thing, you yourself find out and meaning for this one, and you have to write the sentences of your own and you send it to me in the WhatsApp for me. You try yourself, see the meanings, what is both the meanings and what is the meaning for each one, write it and make of your own sentences. Next, third one, each of the following words contains the sound SH. We can see the SH shine, the word contains SH each of the word, but in the beginning or in the middle or at the end. This SH sound is either in some words it in the beginning, and some words it is in the middle, in some words it is last, it is at the end, it is. Now what we have to? We have to speak out and find out the correct words, which SH, in which are the words it is coming in the beginning, in which are the words it is coming in the middle, in which are the words it is coming at the end. So what are the words are given? Sheep, anxious, portion, shoe, trash, shriek, ashes, pushing, march, shore, shore, police, fashion, fish, nation, mustache. These are the words. So let us find out which are the word comes as a first SH and middle and the last. First initial means first one. We can say SH, sheep, SH, sheep, SH, E, sheep, beginning. Next one, we can say shoe, SH, O, E, beginning. Next, string, SH, R-I-N-K, string, SH, R-I-N-K, string, SH. Next, what is another word? Next, shore, S-H-O-R-E, shore, S-H-O-R-E, shore, beginning. Next, what is that one? Shore, shore, pronunciation, shore, S-U, S-U-R-E, shore. Not S-H, H is not there, but the pronunciation is same, shore, shore, string. Next, what are the words coming in the middle? Let us see. Anxious, anxious, A-N-X-I-O-U-S, anxious, yeah. Next, portion, portion, P-O-R-T-I-O-N, portion. Next one, ashes, A-S-H-E-S, ashes. Next one, pushing, P-U-S-H-I-N-G, pushing. Next one, we can see fashion, fashion, F-A-S-H-I-O-N, fashion. Nation, N-A-T-I-O-N, nation, here, same thing. Anxious, here I-O, portion, here T-I, here S-H, here pushing, S-H, here S-H, here nation, here I-O, it will come. Next, what is comes in the last? SH, trash, T-R-A-S-H, last, trash, T-R-A-S-H, trash. Next, Mars, M-A-R-S-H, Mars, it come in the last. Next, police, P-O-L-I-S-H, police, N-A, police. Next, fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Next, what is the last one more is there? Mustache, M-O-U-S-T-A-C-H-E, mustache, mustache, S-T, mustache, pronunciation. So these are the words, each are the words pronounced. We are pronouncing the word using by SH everywhere, and which are the word comes in the beginning, which are the SH comes in the middle, and sorry, which are where the SH comes in the middle, and the last where the SH is coming. The first one, sheep, shoe, string, shore, shore. Second one, anxious, portion, ashes, pushing, fashion, nation. Next, trash, march, police, fish, mustache, here, S-T, mustache. Next, fourth Roman number you see, in each of the following words, CH word is that is represent the same consonant sound as in example. The CH is represents the way of a consonant. You know, consonants are there, vowels and consonants are there, except all the A, E, I, O, U, all other words or letters are consonants. consonant. So here the CH word is representing the consonants. Example for we can see the sound as in chair. The words on the left have this sound initially and those on the right have is finally. We can see the sound in CH and the words which are on the left side. You know, this is right side, this is left side. In the left side the words what are having, where is the sound comes out, first it comes left have the sound initially, beginning it comes, whereas those on the right have it finally. Speak each word clearly. Here we can say choose, child, cheese, chair, charming. Actually it is given wrong. Those are having first initially. First only they are having at CH beginning and left side word they are having in the last. But here in the book it is given wrong written. First choose, here is the CH sound, is or no? So it is the beginning. And the left side word bench, march, speech, read, research, it is the last here. But in the book it is mentioned in a wrong. Now let us see, we have to underline the letters representing this sound, the CH level sound, we have to underline it, which are the words where the CH sound is representing in each of the following words. First one, future. Feature means not future, feature. What is the word here? Feature like F-A-T. Feature, F-E-A-T-U-R-E, feature. Here where is the CH sound is, we can see the CH sound we can see in T-U, future, future CH sound we can see here. Next one, what is the one? Archery. Archery already it is A-R-C-H-E-R-Y. A-R-C-H already it is E-R-Y, archery. Third one, what is that one? Picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Where is the CH sound comes? T-U. Picture. There it comes. CH sound. Next, fourth one, reaching. R-E-A-C-H-I. Already it is reaching here. Next, what is the fifth one? Nature. N-A-T-U-R-E here. T-U, nature. Here comes the sound comes. Next one, what is the next one? Matches. M-A-T-C-H-E-S, matches already. The CH is represent, sound is present, the CH letter. Next, riches. R-I-C-H-E-S, riches. Next, patch. Patch white, B-A-T-C-H, patch. Next, what is the last one? Church. Church, no? C-H-U-R-C-H. See, this is a sound, the consonant sound, the CH represented. Here, future, the T-U is representing the CH consonant. Here, already CH, archery. Picture, T-U, reaching, CH, nature. Here, the CH represents T-U. Matches, riches, patch, church. So these are the words. Now you see the speaking hills. Speaking hills law. Do you think that Mr. Jessler was a failure as a bootmaker or as a competitive businessman? Do you think that Mr. was a failure in his bootmaker or as a businessman? Actually, as a bootmaker, Mr. Jessler was he won, but as a businessman, he was lost. Why? Because he was always using the good leather and quality one he used. That is the reason he has won. He succeeded in bootmaking, but whereas he failed in his, as a businessman, he failed. The reason also, because he used a good leather and he had no advertisement like any other people, and people they rush to the shop where the advertisement is there, they go and buy the cheapest one, but people fail to recognize the quality one. So what happened, people try to go to the big shop, they were not going to him. Not only that, it was taking time for you to prepare, because after ordering only he prepares a good one. That is the reason it happened to him. Next one, what is the significance of the title, to whom or to what others refer? What is the significance of the title here? The title, what is the title? It is a quality. So it is actually it is a very good and apt and it is a very significant, but it refers to, they asked, and what is referred to? Yes or no? It refers to the modern business practices. Not modern days. Nowadays, modern people, what they do, everything they advertise it to through the TV, through the YouTube, whatever we open, everywhere we get the advertisement. So the modern people, what they do, through the advertisement, they get the things practice. Modern people, they develop their business. But whereas such a people, those are making the good one, like a Mr. Justice, what is happening to them? They are losing their business because they don't have the advertisement. They don't advertise to the people. Next, you have to this one is speak to 5 adults in your neighborhood. You have to speak 5 words to your neighbor, those are living nearby to you, and ask them the following questions. You have to ask the questions to them. What are the questions? In any language or comfortable. It can be any language. It can be your own language, mother tongue or English or whatever the language, Then come back and share your findings. So you have to ask questions to your neighbors or your friends and any language, and you have to represent it in the class. So you just to practice. What are the questions they have given? Do they buy their provision packed in plastic packets or at big store or loose from a smaller store near their house? You have to ask them whether when they buy their provisions, the things what is necessary for home, whether they buy it from the plastic what is covered and kept in the plastic, or they go to the big shop, or what is kept in the loose in the shop they buy it, and or from the small shop they have to buy. Next question, where do they buy their footwear, the chappals? Do they buy branded footwear or footwear made locally? What reasons do they have for their preference? And you have to find out where do they buy their chappals made, whether they buy the branded one, means maybe sometimes it were made in other countries and very costly ones, or they buy from the small shops. And what is the reason they are preferring that branded one? We have to find out, or what is the reason they are buying from the local? You have to find out. Third question, do they buy ready-made clothes or buy clothes and get their clothes stitched by a tailor? Which do they think is better? And whether they buy the clothes ready-made, they suppose as a boy or boy, you buy the pants shirt ready-made, or you buy the cloth and stitch to give to the tailor and stitch it, or whatever you do. So yeah, that also you have to find out. Next, do it yourself. There is two people are there, who is at Ajit and Anisha. They are speaking. Ajit is telling that I have decided to go for the further studies to the foreign country, but she says I will not go. I will study here only. Complete to the studies here only. So they are talking, and that one you have to let pairs of students talk to each other about leaving the country. One student repeats Ajit's statement, the other gives a reason for not agreeing with Ajit. The sentence opening given below should be used. So that you have to like a debate. Now debate means Ajit, one has to take the place of Ajit, another has to take the Anisha. So Ajit has to tell that he is going to abroad for study, but Anisha is disagreeing for that one. So that debate you have to, by keep the words are given down below, that by using that word you have to have the conversation. If I leave this country, I will miss. There are some things which you can't get only here, for example. Next, there are some special days I will miss particularly. Most of all I miss because. So using these words we have to form the dialogue. Next, something I can say. Next one, writing skills. Read the following points, write a story. So the story is, the points are given for you. You have to write the story by yourself. This time I will not give the answers to you. You have to write off your story because already the hints are given for you how to write it. So what are the points are given here? Using this one, you have to anybody can write this one. Using these points, we have to make a story. Write your story. First point, your aunt has gone to her mother's house. Second one, your uncle does his cooking. He is absent-minded. He puts vegetables on the stove. He begins to clean his bicycle outside. The neighbor calls out saying, "Something is burning." Your uncle rushes to the kitchen. To save vegetables, he puts some oil on them. Unfortunately, it is a machine oil, not cooking oil. What do you think happens to the vegetables? This is given, so you have to write the answers for you. And begin with the last month my aunt decided to visit her parents, and you have to complete the story by using this points. So everybody should write and send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. I will not give the story. Each time if we give, you will not develop your language. So already the hints are given for you. It is very easy for you to write. So dear students, you write all this one. So he completed this exercise. Let us see in the next class. Until then, you take care of yourself and complete your notes and read the lessons.